Hey, it's Michelle Butt, and you know what time it is. It's Fun Fact Friday time. Yes, it's Friday. And today, when I was thinking about what I wanted to talk about this week, I said to my son, Dean, what should I talk about for Fun Fact Friday today? And he said, Mom, how about you talk about the differences on boys' and girls' faces? And I thought, that's a good idea, because people often ask me, is there a difference in terms of reading and understanding males and females in terms of facial intelligence? And there are a couple of places that are different. So, for example, on the ears, in some respects, they mark certain times of life, and for women and men, they are reversed. So the ears tell us potentially about experiences from ages 0 to 14, 0 to 7 on the right for women, 7 to 14 or 8 to 14 on the left, and for men, that's flipped. So in that respect, yes, there's some differences. Also, in terms of every spot on the face in terms of time of life. So did you know there is a spot on the face for every age from 1 to 100? It's flipped for men and women. And so that's a major difference. In terms of everything else, we all have the same features. There are certain things that men can do that women just can't and that we wouldn't really want to, like grow beards or goatees. So those things can change and enhance features and personality aspects of a man. We can't do that naturally as women, but we can and do use makeup. Although men can use makeup, we can use makeup to enhance some features or change the shape a little bit in order to shore up some energy in one place or diminish the strength of some features depending on if the energy is overwhelming or the meaning is. So those are some differences in terms of men and women. Another big difference is that men tend to have really more defined brow bones than women do. Although women can have defined brow bones, and if they do, it means something really significant, and for men it does too, similarly, but men tend to have that feature more naturally than women do. So these are just some of the differences, but in general, a nose is a nose is a nose, whether it's on a child's face, a woman's face, or a man's face, it all means something, and it means something about that person's life experience, potential health issues, how they move through the world in terms of personality and how they feel about things and decision making and all these good aspects about us. So our faces really are incredible tools to help us to connect and communicate and build relationship and rapport with other people. And they're very similar in men and women, and sometimes they're a little bit different. So hey, there you go. That's your Fun Fact Friday fact for this week, and I will see you next Friday.